subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Indian smartphone maker Lava has launched its new affordable phone called Lava Z61 Pro in India. Talking about the specifications, the Lava Z61 Pro supports a 5.45-inch HD Plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio, and on the top it is covered by 2.5D glass. Under the hood, the phone is powered by unknown 1.6 GHz octa-core processor paired with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. The smartphone also supports microSD expansion up to 128 GB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Lava Z61 Pro features a single 8-megapixel camera on the rear including LED flash under the pill-shaped module. At the front, it has 5-megapixel selfie camera inside the bezel above the screen, and it comes equipped by 3100 mAh battery. The device doesn't feature any physical fingerprint sensor, but it supports face unlock system for security. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 147 by 71.8 by 9.15 millimeters, and it weighs around 160 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Lava Z61 Pro has been priced in India at 5,774 Indian rupees, and it will be available for purchase within a week in the country in midnight blue and umber red color options. So, what do you guys think of this Lava Z61 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.